Welcome to the Ford 76 hay turning, or should I say exactly as what happened last year, the David Brown 996 breaking down in the middle of a hayfield. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's take a step back. Last year, Dad didn't tell me, because I had a very slight diesel leak on a pipe, that he drained most of the diesel. So I took the tractor out, brought it up here to come see him. Boom, breakdown middle of the field. Took us a while to get up to getting it done and cracking the injectors and getting her up and going. So she sat there for a while in the field, in the way. And guess what's happened this time? Dad has told me all the tractors are ready to go, ready for haymaking. So I think, great. Surely that means I've got diesel. Does it? I've got no diesel. Because he's a yid. I would have given him 50 quid to stick some diesel in the bloody thing. Seems he's the one that goes and does the diesel runs. No. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So he's here with the Ford 76 turning. I'm not going to be able to chase him around anywhere near as much as I'd like to, because the drone isn't charged and the quad's somewhere at the top of the top. So yeah, this could be fun. Oh, I've chased him before, but this is dusty. Wow, really dusty. Blimey, I ain't even going to have to follow him this time, guys. Woo! The dust kicking up off of that. That's mad. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. I reckon you can. Jeez, that is mad. Normally ain't that dusty. So I got up here a bit later than I was hoping to. So as you see, he's turned most of it already. Would have been nice to be up here with the drone, but yeah, I only had a couple of batteries that had even half charge, so it wouldn't have been worth the time. But we've got bottom of the top and bottom field that I'll be able to get footage of. Plus, he has to turn it every day anyway, so we'll see if I can get any tomorrow or the day after, and we'll go from there. There's even a plume of dust this year. Wow. Maybe it's the wind. So that Ford 76, really nice tractor, very comfortable to sit in. You don't really feel a thing inside that when you're sat in there. Unlike David Brown's, got its rattling doors. That Ford, nice and quiet inside as well. He's got his mask on. The dust that you get from turning hay is incredibly high, so having a mask on does help with your breathing. Right, I think he's got one more line to do down here. So let's stay this side of him this time and take a few steps back. Honestly, God, those views here are just so nice. A little peeky of the views. Yeah, he's swinging it round. What's he doing? There's obviously something up there I can't see. There's obviously a strip up there that I cannot see. Here he comes, he's lined up. I think he's nearly finished.